Tell, told, told. This, you may think it's what we're doing right now. We're speaking to each other. I am saying words to you. I'm talking to you. I like to talk. But this is not the word that we're looking for. We're looking for tell. We don't speak a story. We don't talk a story. We don't say a story. We tell a story, and we tell a story with passion and imagination so that our little darling children can fall asleep nicely. I speak to my friends. I don't tell my friends. I would tell my friends a story, but I don't speak my friends a story. I would speak about my friends. I would talk to my friends. I will say something important to my friends, but I will tell my friends about something that happened the other day with my wife. I don't speak my friends what I told my wife the other day. Tell.